This is Accurate TV News,
where you get your news on time, on point, and online.
Jamaicans share mixed feelings about the buggery law. The majority of respondents in the RJRGLEANER Commission poll think that the buggery law should remain as is. However, several persons have shared that the law is archaic and can even be found to be problematic if scrutinized properly. Keep the buggery law, majority say. 4 out of every 5 Jamaicans want the buggery to remain a criminal offense, while 12% believe it should be decriminalized. An RJRGLEANER Group Commission Don Anderson poll has found. The remaining 8% of respondents were unsure of their position on the matter. Though the buggery law does not explicitly target gay men, it effectively prohibits sexual relations among that minority. Anderson, who is the CEO of Market Research Services Limited, explained that the low 12% support very few variations were anticipated across the demographic groups. So it is only of little note that females 13%, younger persons 18 to 24 13%, and older person 55 to 64 years old support this position, he said. However, among the income groups, highly paid person varied significantly from the average of 12% support, with 19% expressing the view that buggery should no longer be a criminal offense. Conversely, 80% of Jamaicans said buggery should remain on the book as a criminal offense. Moravian pastor the Reverend Shermaine Daly disagrees that sex between consenting adult men in their private domain should be criminalized, arguing that abuse or attacks can be adequately circumscribed under other laws. Where there is rape or child abuse, this becomes a criminal offense, and of such they should face the full penalty as defined by the law, Daly told the Gleaner on Monday. The term buggery can be removed from the books and treat all sexual offenses as stipulated by other laws that are already there. Co-chair of the Caribbean Center for Human Rights, Dr. Carolyn Gomes, has described the poll result as an unfortunate findings that reflects the need for more public education on the removal of an 1860 British colonial law. We would hope that the Jamaican society would become more current and more progressive in the line with the recent decision of Singapore and follow the lead of a number of countries, including Belize, in the Caribbean region, the rights advocate said in Gleaner interview on Monday. The Jamaican Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller had declared during a leadership debate in December 2011 that it was for a review of the buggery law, saying she believed the issue should be put to a conscience vote in the Parliament. Simpson Miller reneged on the promise. The Supreme Court in Antigua ruled the country's anti-buggery law unconstitutional in July after an openly gay man and a woman against rape group argued that it offended their constitutional rights. Gomes said buggery laws will continue to be challenged until people arrive at an understanding that what people do in the privacy of their home is their business. Attorney at law Clyde Williams told the Gleaner that buggery is addressed under the Offences Against the Person Act, but he argued that sections of the legislations are incongruous and problematic. He cited in particular Section 76, which referenced the abominable crime of buggery committed with mankind or an animal. It is the Offences Against the Person Act, so already that is a problematic section because it sidesteps into an offense against an animal, Williams said. He said the colonial law invades the privacy of persons and does not have a genuine victim. How could you be able to detect such a crime, he asked. This is a law that is strictly built on morality. that people should not engage in any anal penetration, even if it is in private and with consent, the attorney said. Fieldwork for Anderson's poll, assessing 1,113 respondents, was conducted between July 16 and 26. The margin of error was plus or minus 3%.